Hello friends, welcome to Tips and Tricks in Mathematics. This is for class 10 students and the topic of discussion is statistics. This is the third video on this topic. In the earlier two videos, we discussed the concepts and the hot questions which were examination based. The links of those videos are given in the description box. This particular video focuses on the MCQ problems. Pay attention here students and be ready with pen and paper. In the first problem, consider the following frequency distribution of the height of 60 students of a class. The class mark of the model class this is the frequency distribution given, height in centimeter. These are the class intervals and these are the corresponding frequencies. For example, in the class interval 150 to 155, the number of students or the frequency is 15. Now we need to find the class mark of the model class. So which is the model class? Model class has the highest frequency. Which class? We observe that 15 is the highest frequency in this row. So the model class is 150, 155. What is class mark? Class mark is upper limit plus lower limit of the class divided by 2. So if this is the model class, we have to add these two and divide it by 2. That is 150 plus 155 divided by 2. Correct answer is B, 152.5. This is the class mark of the model class. Consider the following frequency distribution of the height of 60 students of a class. The median class is, for getting the median class, we need to first find the cumulative frequency. So what is cumulative frequency? We will start with the first frequency value and then keep on adding to it the next values. For example, the first value is 15. Next is 15 plus 13, 28. Then 28 plus 10, 38. 38 plus 8, 46 and so on till we get 60. We can check it as 60 here also. Now the median class is defined as n by 2. So first we will find n as 60 divided by 2, that is 30. 30th item we need to find. But 30th item we see is not given here. So we need to find an item above 30 but it is closest to 30. Although 28 is closest to 30 but it is lower than 30, so we ignore this. The next higher value more than 30 is 38. So the median class is this one, 160, 165. The correct option is C. The empirical relation between mean, mode and median for a distribution is given by. In examination, you frequently find this question, or sometimes you are given numerical values of say mean and median and you need to find mode. So you need to remember this equation. The correct empirical relation is mode equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. You should remember this. The median of set of 9 distinct data point is 18. If each of the largest 4 observation of the set is increased by 3, the median of new set is decreased by 3, is increased by 3, it remains same or it increases. We don't know the value by what it increases. Now how to find median of 9 distinct data points? The median is first arrange the distinct points in ascending or descending order and then find the middle value. So out of 9 data points, the middle value will be the fifth one, and below the fifth one, 1 to 4th will be the lower values and 6 to 9th will be higher values. Now we need to check that if each of the largest 4 observation will be 7 to 9th value. 7 to 9th value is increased by 3. but the median remains unaltered because the fifth value is not changed. So the median remains same as the previous. Correct option is C. Mean of 10 item is 50. It was observed that an item was by mistake read as 40 instead of 60 in calculating this mean. While calculating this mean, one item was read as 40 instead of 60 and we got the mean as 50. What is the correct mean? When mean is given and the number of item is given, we can calculate the sum of 10 items. So sum of this 10 item is 50 into 10, 500. Now in this 500 we have taken 40 as one of the data, but it should be 60. So the correct sum will be, we'll add 20 to this. So the correct sum will be 500 plus 20. 520 would have been the correct sum. Now the mean with 520 as the sum and 10 items, the correct mean will be 520 divided by 10, which is 52. The correct option is B. Consider the following frequency distribution of the heights of students in a class. The number of students whose height is less than 165 centimeter is. Now what we understand from this table is that for a class interval, this is the frequency. That is, if the height is between 150 and 155, the number of students is 15. Similarly for other classes. Since we want to find the students whose height is less than 165, we need to add up frequency from this column onwards. This is 165 not inclusive. This is 165 inclusive. So it is less than 165. So we have to include these three values and sum up. For example, this will be 10 plus 13, 23 plus 15, 38. So 38 students will be the number of students whose height is less than 165. The correct option is B. The mean of a frequency distribution is 8. If sigma xi fi equal to 96, then sigma fi equal to, what is mean? Mean is given as sigma fi xi by sigma f. So we need to find sigma f, mean is given, sigma fx is given. So sigma f will be sigma fx by mean, which is 96 by 8. 96 is given, mean is given as 8. So 96 by 8 is 12. The correct option is A. If 40 is removed from the data 20, 25, 30, 40, 45, 50, the median is decreased by. Let us first find the median of this series, then we will remove the 40, then again we will find the median for the new series and check whether median is changed or not. First, to find median of this series, we know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there are 6 data points in this. When 6 data points are there, which is even, the median will be the average of the central two values. The central two values are 30 and 40. So to median for this will be average of these two. Median will be 30 plus 40 by 2 is 70 by 2. So it is 35. So median of this series is 35. Now we remove 40 from that. So how many terms will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms will be there. So when the number of term is odd, the median will be the central value. Since 40 is not there, the median will be 30. So new median is 30. Now the median is decreased by, yes, the median is decreased by 35 minus 30, which is 5. Option C is the correct answer. Friends, with this we conclude this video. I request you to please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. Thank you very much, friends.